about the weather and climate and the factors which affects this weather and climate. And different regions of this climatic conditions of the different regions of India I had made you understand. Now today I am going to explain adaptation in polar regions. Adaptation in polar regions. What are the adaptation adopted by the animals living in polar regions? So before I go through this adaptation in polar regions in animals, let us know first of all the complete climatic condition of these polar regions. Almost whole year this region is covered with snow. And even the temperature may go to minus 37 degrees Celsius. Minus 37 degrees Celsius. Around 6 months of the whole year, sun never sets. And next 6 months, they do not see sun properly. This is what the climatic condition of polar regions. What kind of animals are found in these polar regions? Snow leopard, penguins, polar bear. These are the animals which are found in this extreme and harsh weather. Extreme and harsh climatic condition is found there. But how do they survive? Even if we go there, we cannot survive in such extreme weather. Minus 37 degrees Celsius. We cannot survive. Then how can these animals survive in this extreme weather? Actually, they have adapted some special feature in them through which they can survive over that particular area. And these special features are called, and adapting such a special features called adaptation. What it is called? It is called adaptation. So let us know what are the adaptation found in polar bear. First thing about the polar bear. The first thing about the polar bear, that they are having a thick layer of fur on their body. Look at this white color of fur. This white color of fur protect them from the extreme weather, extremely cold weather. And this is double layered fur. This is double layered fur. As they are white, so they are also helpful in hiding these animals from their predators. They hide themselves from their predators because of this white color, as the color of their surrounding is also white. I have made you understand, no? This polar region is completely covered with white snow. So this hiding because of their skin color in the atmosphere or in the surrounding is what called? It is called camouflage. What it is called? It is called camouflage. So they camouflage because of their fur layer of fur, white color of layer of fur and surroundings, which helps them to prevent themselves from predators. Second adaptation in them, that they have a highly developed sense of smell. Even if the fishes are under the snow, under the ice, they can smell them and they catch and eat. So they have a very highly developed sense of smell. Their claws, their claw, or you can say their paw, and the nails, they have pointed curved nails. They have pointed curved nails and big paw. They have a big paw and pointed curved nails, which helps them to move on snow. And these nails, what they do, they prick inside the snow and they move freely. Even this paw, this big paw, helps them to swim in the water. They are a very good swimmer. These polar bears are very good swimmer also. The next thing in this polar bear, that they have a blubber. Do you know what is this blubber? Blubber means a layer of fat right inside their skin. That is why they look fatty. They have blubber right inside their skin, which prevents them from extremely cold weather. It acts as an insulator. This blubber acts as an insulator which never let the body heat go out, and even it never let the external extreme cold weather absorb. So these polar bears are prevented from extreme weather and from all kind of adverse condition because of these adapted features. Because of these adapted features, what you can see in this polar bear. The next one is penguin. The next polar animal is penguin. Penguin. Look at these penguins. These penguins you may have seen even in television. Then usually they remain together in group. Because of their group, they keep themselves warm, which protect them from the extreme weather. They also have blubber, or they also have a layer of fat right inside their skin which protects them from extreme weather, as they act as an insulator. These penguins also have an insulator in the form of blubber right under their skin. Can you see these penguins? Their back is black and the front part, the stomach part, is white, which protect them from the predators. When they see any predators, then do you know what they do? They jump in the ice water and they start swimming backwardly. Why do they swim backwardly? Because the back portion of their black color goes inside the water. What remains up? This is white color. And this white color merge them with the surroundings. This act is known as camouflage. As I have told you when I was making you understand polar regions animals, that is polar bear. So these penguins also camouflage at the time of swimming by swimming backwardly. They are a very good swimmer. You know, they are the fastest swimmers in ice water. Their fins are like flippers. They act like a flippers. Flippers means, you know, आपने देखा होगा नाव चलाने वाले को चप्पू चलाते हुए. This चप्पू जो एक स्टिक में वाइड वुडन स्ट्रक्चर होता है, इसे हम कहते हैं चप्पू. ये स्विमिंग के लिए, ये बोट को रो करने के लिए हेल्पफुल होता है. ठीक उसी तरह पेंगुइन्स का फिन्स होता है. It looks like flippers. So they help them to swim in the water as fast as anything. That is why they are the fastest swimmer, or the fastest swimming birds, you can say. They are the fastest swimming birds. So this is all about penguins. The next one is birds. There are so many birds that they are found in polar regions. Many birds are found. Commonly we are knowing about Arctic tern, Siberian crane. These are the birds. See, they are the birds. Arctic tern and Siberian crane. You know, Arctic tern is told that it travels around 15,000 kilometers to protect themselves from harsh condition. They travel around 15,000 kilometers in winter and go to the place where the condition is, or the climatic condition is better. These Arctic tern, they move from there, they go to another place, they live for some months there, and again they back to their own place. And this movement is called migration. This movement from one place to another, either in search of food, in search of shelter, or to protect themselves from extreme weather, is called migration. These migration word, and this migration is not only done by the birds, this is also done by the fishes, human beings, and some other animals to protect themselves from the extreme weather, or in search of food, or in search of shelter. They go one place to another place. Siberian crane, you know, they come to India, even different places of India at the time of winter. In Rajasthan, in Haryana, northeastern part of the India, they come and they spend 5 to 6 months here, and then again they go back. They again go back to their place when summer season comes. In that way, they are protecting themselves, and in that manner, they are keeping themselves protected in polar regions. So this is all about penguins, polar bear and birds, migratory birds. In my next video, I will be explaining about another region, maybe the tropical region, animals which are found in tropical region, or the animals which are found in desert regions. So wait for that video. Till that, you please go through this video, like this, and please write the comment. Thank you all of you.